Now, when it comes to current, there are two types that you need to know about. Alternating current, which we often write as AC, and direct current, or DC. In an alternating current, the direction of the current is constantly swapping back and forth. So the charge flows in one direction, then the other direction, and back again. We get these alternating currents whenever we use an alternating potential difference, or alternating voltage. So one that fluctuates between positive and negative. We can see this if we measure the potential difference or current over time. They constantly fluctuate between negative and positive. And at the circuit level, this means that the direction in which the charge is flowing will constantly be swapping back and forth. Here in the UK, all main supply electricity, which is the electricity that comes from our plug sockets and powers our computers and kettles and so on, is AC. And specifically, UK main supply is 50 Hz and around 240 volts, which means that on our bottom graph, the potential difference fluctuates from positive 240 volts to negative 240 volts and back again 50 times every second. And so the current will also fluctuate at that same rate. One thing we should mention is that you'll sometimes hear that the voltage is 230 volts rather than 240. Basically, it can be either in the UK, so they're both correct as far as your exams are concerned. Direct current, on the other hand, is produced by a direct potential difference, which is either positive or negative the entire time. So the charge is always flowing in the same direction. We find direct current in things like cells and batteries, like those in your phone or a calculator. The last thing we need to cover is that in order to get these potential difference versus time graphs, we use devices called oscilloscopes, which display the graphs on a monitor.